Good morning.
Morning.
Is it okay if I take a video here?
Yeah.
So,
am I going to be the one that like adjust my hair?
Alright, so where are we going today?
One, University of Melbourne.
And why are we going there?
We need to collect our student cards, and it's our first time doing
I think it's been
third or fourth day,
Yes. And now we're going to school for the first time. I'm so excited.
and it's beautiful.
I know. We don't know where we're going.
Just walking around.
Yeah. But it gets better. The school gets better the longer we walk. They're calling on you. So we're at the zoo right now, about to see red pandas, giraffe. It's upside down, girl.
Yeah, but
Oh, okay.
this is my
Hi friends, a quick cut before I continue on with this video. So if there's anything in the world that I couldn't stand, it's actually bad audio. And the next footages that you're about to see have really bad audio because the wind was so strong at that day, and we went to the beach and it's in St. Kilda's. So my friends and I went there with Ami-chan and Heidi, and we basically ate lunch there and then swam at the beach, and it was really fun. It was our first week, I think, of arriving in Melbourne, and we directly went to the beach for the first time. After going to the beach, we also headed to the city library, which is only about 10 minutes away from my place, and it was majestic. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Okay, let's go.
And garlic.
Okay, baby, wait.
Look for it. Good morning, vlog.
It's the earliest we have been out. Right, yeah, it's the earliest we've been out since we came here.
It is cold today,
I'm
guys.
wearing shorts and slippers.
And exactly because we are going to swim. Woohoo! We found out that the university has free access to the pool every 9 to 11 a.m. So we're going there. We are such a perfect match. I think there's no other roommate that would be a perfect match for me. We have the same everything. Same sleeping schedule, same interest, same diet. He likes eating, I like cooking. It's a perfect match. I'll try to video the swimming pool later. Although I know it's not allowed, but I will try my best. Right now, so it's gonna be omurice with like minced meat and mushrooms, which I have prepared over here. I'm also cooking this, roasting the pan for the eggs. Yes, this is not gonna make a good omurice. Oh, gonna make hazel is currently showering. I have no idea what this is. I want to say hi to Hazel. Oh god, yeah, that is burning egg. I'm sorry, this does not look good. Okay, you want to turn on the heat. It's just like a minced meat meal. I haven't even tasted it. Ew. Oh yeah. So this is my bowl. Face like. Is it okay? Ready? Jesus, this is Good morning. So I am now at the train station, technically subway, and I'm going to Geelong with Ryle. Oh my god, I'm the only person wearing a lanyard, but I don't care because I'm built like that. We're looking for a club that gives away free bottles because we want free Unimel bottles. How about you introduce yourself?
Hi, how are you?
How are you in Korean? In Korean.
안녕. 저는 미셸. 나봤어요.
Hello friends, we are cooking bibimbap today. Oh shoot! Decoration. OMG, hello photo booth, aka my MacBook camera. I'm just trying this out because the ratio of the video is so cute. But so yeah, today is a Tuesday. I am not outside. I had just finished uploading my video on YouTube, which is fun. And yesterday was my first day of classes, and to be honest, it was really fun, like exploring the school and getting lost and all of that. But honestly, it was very, very tiring because then again, I just finished my school in Doshisha like 2 weeks ago, so I only had to cram my haruyasumi, my spring vacation, for 2 weeks. But I mean, it's alright. That's I guess okay, as long as I just do well in school, hopefully. What else can I update you about? Oh, later I'm going to meet with Ryan and Eric again, together with Hazel. They're all Singaporeans, and we're going to watch a movie in the theater room that we reserved here at our apartment. So life has been really fun. Oh, and I also got a henna tattoo, by the way. It's really cute. It's been like a week already, and it still hasn't worn off. I have also booked other activities with friends, such as going to an outdoor cinema, going to parks, or going to orchestra concerts, which is so fun. I'm super, super excited for what's about to come. So I hope I get to record it all and save it as memory here on YouTube. I think that's it.